So how do you lock the library on iPhone? Let's get started. If this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and upcoming videos like this one. So it kind of depends on what you mean by the library, because you might mean the Photos library, or you might mean the Books app, which is like your on-the-go library with all of your purchased books. But in either case, it can be done because you can hold it down. Let's say let's say we start with the Photos app. You can hold it down on that application on the home screen like this. A lot of different toggles and buttons are going to appear, but the one we need to click on is titled Require Face ID. So when you click on this, you will need to scan your face again to confirm it's really you, but essentially you are locking the photos on your device, and you will not be able to get inside unless you scan your face again. The phone might be unlocked generally, but you'll need to perform one more unlocking right inside of the Photos app. So that's how it works. And you can do exactly the same thing with the Books application if that's what you are going after. Keep in mind, however, that it's also possible to get inside of your photos like that and just only select a few photos, which you can tap on the three dots on and click on hide. And when you hide them away, they will not be part of your like regular library, and you will also need to authenticate yourself. So it'll be also like hidden away and locked in the hidden folder. So that is also another method of locking your library, but not like the whole photos library, only certain pictures. So let me know if it works for you. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.